Main relay supplies power to the whole system when the key is turned on. Ignition switch user control on/off. After the ignition switch, power goes through the fuse box and then to the different circuits such as the dimmer switch. Push pin important note. In some Honda layouts, the ignition switch first controls the relay coil, but the main power path to the loads is still the same. Battery fuse relay ignition fuse box. Source of the dimmer switch. Battery plus. Main fuse. Ignition switch. Fuse box lighting, headlight fuse. Dimmer switch, positive input. High beam. Low beam. Headlight. Ground green. Right pointing magnifying glass explanation. The dimmer switch is not directly connected to the battery. It uses switch 12 volts, it only turns on when the ignition is on. The fuse box provides protection for the dimmer and headlight circuit. After the fuse, the positive supply enters the dimmer switch. Push pin tip for checking with a multimeter. Ignition off, no power at the dimmer input. Ignition on 12 volts VDC present at the dimmer input wire.
Main power flow sa Honda Click 125, new model. Battery, panandang pandagdag. Main fuse. Main relay. Ignition switch. Fuse box, sub-fuses. Headlight, horn, signal, etc. Mga load, dimmer, easy, lights, ug uban pa.
Pasabot. Main fuse, unang proteksyon gikan sa battery. Main relay, mohatag og power sa tibok system kung iyon ang susi. Ignition switch, user control, lilay. Human sa ignition, dito paagi ang power sa fuse box padulong sa lane circuit sama sa dimmer switch.